Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the ab roller properly. I see this done wrong in the gym day in and day out, and I felt like I needed to make a video for you guys, especially the guys that are doing my training program. This is actually in the training program, so I want you guys to get the most out of it. There's two things that you need to do or be able to do before you do an ab roller, and that's at least be able to plank for a minute or longer. And also to be able to do a hollow rock for 30 seconds or longer. Okay, if you can't do that, then this is not for you right now. So let's get right into this. So on the ab roller, what I see a lot of people doing is they sit back like this and they basically roll out and then roll in. So what that does is you're using your hip flexors and you're using your lats. It's somewhat of a compound movement because you're using different parts of your body, but we want to focus on actually activating the abs themselves. So the way this is done is, and the way you start it, and I teach people, is to position yourself about like this, and the first thing you do is you actually lock your hip flexors by bringing your hips in. So you don't want your hips out like this because you don't want this arch in your back. It's going to put a lot of pressure and a lot of stress. And we want to lock the hip flexors out because we do not want to use those in these movements. We want to basically crunch up when we go out. So you're going to lock the hip flexors in and you're going to arch your back almost like in the cat camel. I don't know if you guys know what a cat camel is, but it's a stretch that you actually do this and then you stretch up like this. So that's the position you want to be in when you do the ab roll. So we're going to do this. We're going to lock the hips, and then we're going to arch the back a little bit. Keep it strong. And in this movement, the core is always tight. Okay, you're not relaxing the core. You're keeping those muscles tight. You're flexing them. And basically, you're going to roll out like so. And then when you come up, it's like a crunch. You're going to come up with your core like so. So I'm not using my arms. I'm crunching my core as I come up. So I'm literally core first and then arms afterwards. And you want to avoid pulling back with your legs. You want it to be all your arms and your core. So it's out, and then core, and then arms follow as you roll up. If you're not used to this, start slow. And what I suggest for people to do is actually, when they first start doing it so they can get the form down and the move down, is every time you do a rep, you're gonna lock, you're gonna tighten the core, you're gonna go out, and then when you come up, tighten the core, then the arms, stop, pause. Make sure that your hips don't pop out. You wanna keep them like this, so if they pop out, you can readjust it and create like a mind-muscle connection in this movement. Once again, arms out, core first, arms follow, crunch. So that's the proper way to do the ab roller. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below, I'll answer them. And please subscribe to the channel and like this video, and we'll see you next time on Mission to Muscle.